Hello everyone, welcome on Grasping Python. Today we are going to discuss programming on stack as per the CBSE curriculum of class 12th. In last session we have already discussed theoretical concept of stack. If you want to know more about the stack, you can visit on a link which is available in the description box of this video. Before starting programming, first recapitulate the basic concept of stack. Basically, stack is a linear data structure. It follows the principle last in first out. We can say LIFO, or we can say stack is a list of element in which element may be inserted or deleted only one end. It is called top of the stack. There are two types of operation can be performed on a stack. First is push operation, it means insertion of element, and second is pop operation, it means deletion of the element. These two operations, push and pop operation, as per the diagram you can see, perform at one end is called top of the stack. As per the syllabus, if you want to implement stack in programming, first take a list and apply the property of stack on a list. And the property of stack is insertion and deletion can take at one end. That is called top of the stack. As per the diagram, you can see a list which have 5 elements. If you want to insert at element index 5, it is called push operation. If you want to delete an element, deletion can be performed at the index 4. It is called pop operation of the stack. Let's start programming with Python. Here we are going to implement stack programming with the help of list. It means we are going to apply the property of a stack on a list. For this we have two operations. One is append operation and another is pop operation. It means these two methods are used for insert and delete operation on a list. For example, L is a list, have 3 elements. Now if we write L dot append 10, then what happen? This 10 is added at the end of the list. You can see on the screen 10 is added at the end of the list. Now pop operation. Pop operation, it means pop method used to delete the element from the end of the list. It means if you write L dot pop, then print, then this statement print the list which have 3 elements 1 2 3. Now run. Because we perform pop operation, and what will do pop operation? It delete the element at the end of the list. Now again if we perform pop operation, so L dot pop, then again print, here print L. Now run. As you see on screen, here 1 2 3 is the initial list as per the code, and after L dot append 10, after L dot append 10 is added at the end of the list. Now we perform pop operation, L dot pop, then print. So this operation delete the 10 from the list, and from the end of the list we can say again L dot pop, this operation perform delete operation from the end of the list. So with the help of append and pop operation, we are implementing insert and delete operation at the end of the list. Now one more example. Take a list, stack, and this is empty list. If you write stack, if we write print stack, then what will be the output of this? Empty list. Now you can see this is empty list. Now next, if you write stack dot append 1, now print stack, अगेन हमने प्रोग्राम को रन किया तो यहाँ पे देखिए लिस्ट के अंदर 1 ऐड हो चुका है. नाउ अगेन stack, here we perform append operation, append 45. Now print stack, Now 45 added at the end of the list. If you perform again append operation, then what will be the output? Now control कोड कॉपी करके हम पेस्ट कर देते हैं. Now 41. Now this 41 is added at the end of the list. So here is the output. So we can say कि append method used to perform insert operation or push operation on a stack. Now for pop operation, so here we write stack.pop. This method delete the element from the end of the list. You can see on the screen 41 is deleted and 41 is the last element, or we can say कि 41 is the end element of the list. So with the help of stack.pop, this element deleted. If you perform again stack.pop operation, then 45 will be deleted from the stack. Okay, now you can see so now 45 is deleted from the list. So we can say with the help of pop and append method we can implement insert and delete operation on a list, or we can say we can perform push and pop operation on a stack. Now here we are going to perform push operation on a stack. So you can see on a screen a stack is a list, or we can say empty list, top equal to 0. Now def push underscore value is a function. Here push underscore value is the name of the function which take two argument. One is stack, that is your empty list, and top is a variable which have initial value 0. Now ch equal to y, while ch equal to y or ch equal to small y, element equal to input, enter the value to be added into the stack, then stack dot append element. Here append method we are use, and this append method used to add element at the end of the list, and list is the, we can say stack is a list, and after append operation top equal to top plus 1. So you can see here comment to keep a count of number of element added to the string. Then again do you want to add more element? If you enter y, then ch equal to n or ch equal to capital N, condition false, then again this while loop get executed. If you enter n, then this condition will satisfy and break statement is executed. So after break statement your loop is terminated. ठीक है, then print stack. Now after execution देखिए क्या आउटपुट आता है. रन किया आपने, इसको stack 3 के नाम से सेव कर देते हैं, stack 3. Now यहाँ पे देखिए enter the value to be added. सपोज कर लीजिए हमने 12 एंटर कर दिया. Now again this is asking do you want to add more elements? Why? Then again हमने यहाँ पे 78 ऐड कर दिया. Then again asking do you want to add more element? Again we are adding we want to add more element. Then why? Then again we write 90. After 3 element I enter n, and for no it means it will display 12, then after 12, then 78, then 90, and this is the output. So here you can see after 12 you add 78, and after 78 you add 90. So this is the stacks, or we can say this is the pop operation of the stack. I hope it is clear to all. Now in this program we are going to perform push and pop operation. So implementing list as a stack, s equal to empty list, c equal to y. Now while c equal to small y, print 1 for push operation, 2 for pop operation, and 3 for display operation. Now here we are taking the choice of the user. Then if choice equal to 1 means we are going to perform push operation. And for push operation we have to take element or number, or we can say a value which to be inserted in the stack. So a equal to input, enter any number, then s dot append. This append method used to insert element at the end of the list. Now else if choice equal to 2, then it means pop operation. Then for pop operation, first we have to check if list is empty, then this is called underflow case. So if s equal to empty list, print stack is empty, else print deleted element is s dot pop. So here push and pop operation can be performed with the help of append method and pop operation. Now for option 3, display function, if you want to display the element of the list, then we can say directly print the list, or with the help of for loop we can display the element of the list. So here ellipse choice equal to 3, l equal to len s for I in range l minus 1, बिकॉज इंडेक्स 0 से शुरू होता है तो लिस्ट की साइज -1 से चलेगा रिवर्स ऑर्डर में प्रिंट करने के लिए. देन -1 मीन्स 0 तक चलेगा और स्टेप की वैल्यू आपने क्या किया यहाँ पे -1. एंड प्रिंट एस आई, एल्स इफ यू एंटर रॉन्ग इनपुट. डू यू वांट टू कंटिन्यू? इफ यू एंटर अगेन y, देन दिस लूप गेट एग्जीक्यूटेड अगेन. तो देखिए इसको रन करते हैं. रन करने पे आप देखेंगे आउटपुट आता है इसका. If enter your choice, now 1 for push operation, now element 12, then do you want to add more element y, then again push operation, then 25. तो यहाँ पे आपने देखा होगा 12 एंटर किया, then 25 एंटर किया. now again do you want to continue? yes. now enter your choice, डिस्प्ले फंक्शन कॉल कर लेते हैं. तो मैं यहाँ पे चॉइस एंटर कर देता हूँ 3. तो यहाँ पे देखिए डिस्प्ले जैसे आपने किया तो पहले आपका 25 डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा, लास्ट एलिमेंट से डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा. देन उसके बाद 12 डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा. देन लास्ट में स्टैक कुछ भी नहीं होगा तो नॉन डिस्प्ले कर देगा. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, पुश एंड पॉप ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म किया है स्टैक के ऊपर. और वी कैन से कि लिस्ट के ऊपर अपेंड मेथड और पॉप मेथड हमने यूज किया है. अपेंड मेथड स्टैक के या वी कैन से लिस्ट के लास्ट में एलिमेंट अपेंड कर रहा है, एंड पॉप मेथड क्या कर रहा है, लिस्ट के लास्ट से एलिमेंट को डिलीट कर रहा है. तो आई थिंक आपको पुश एंड पॉप ऑपरेशन का कंसेप्ट समझ में आया होगा. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल ग्रास्पिंग पाइथन को सब्सक्राइब करिए. थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे.